So as we discussed that the definition of noun in our previous class, so I hope everybody understood what is noun. Noun means the name of persons, places, things, quality, idea, or an action. These are called nouns. A noun usually denotes a thing, place, person, quality, or action. We will discuss this in our first class, previous lesson. So, I hope everybody understood what is noun. Noun means the name of persons, places, things, quality, idea, or action is called noun. There are 5 types of noun. And what are they? These are proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun. These are the 5 types of noun. So, first of all, tell me what is proper noun? Any special names are called proper noun. Proper noun means any special names like the Taj Mahal, APJ Abdul Kalam, Ganga, Ram. These are the special name. Okay, any special name, any particular name of person, place, things is called proper noun. And the second type is common noun. Common noun means common names. The noun those are belong to a common group is called common noun. For example, teacher, doctor, student, class, these are called common nouns. And the third type is collective noun. Collective noun means name of groups, any groups. For example, army, fleet, bouquet, pack, pride, these are called collective noun. Next is material noun. Material noun means name of materials or substance. For example, gold, silver, oil, water, rice. These are called material nouns. And the last type is abstract noun. So what does it mean? Abstract noun means the name of emotion, feeling, quality, idea, or action. Okay, so these are called abstract noun. So these are the types of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun. These are we have discussed in our previous class. So today we are going to discuss about abstract noun, which is taken from your practice book. We will solve some problems and exercise so you will understand properly. Let's see what is the next. Okay, she is Roma. Read the favorite things given below. Okay, these are the favorite things of Roma. Raindrops on roses, whiskers on kittens, winters, snowflakes. These are the favorite things of Roma. Now, let's see what is the next. See here. Okay, this is a worksheet. So, what you are do here? Write down any 5 of your favorite things in the blurbs in your notebook. Okay, as you have seen here in this worksheet, like this you have to be write down in your notebook, and after that you will solve it. Okay, how you will solve? Let's see. As Roma has written their favorite thing, as you will write your favorite things, 5 favorite things in the blurbs, and after that what you will do? In the blanks given below, write one quality for which you like the things written above. Okay, whatever you will write in the blurbs about your favorite things, you will be write one quality of them. For example, see there in the slide, one example is done for you. See, if suppose you will write ice cream in your favorite thing. So, why you like ice cream? Why do you like ice cream? Because you may like an ice cream for its taste. Okay. For example, if you will write Taj Mahal. So, why do you like Taj Mahal? You will write one quality for this. Okay. So, why do you like Taj Mahal? You may like the Taj Mahal for its beauty. For example, rose. This is a flower. Okay. Why do you like rose? You may like rose for its smell. Okay, like this, whatever you will like here, write here in list of your favorite thing. write one quality for it. Okay, I hope you will understand. Let's see the next. Let's solve some more problems. An example. See here. Yes. Filling the blanks with the abstract nouns given in the 8 box, and you will solve this worksheet also in your notebook. Okay, have you seen a 8 box here in the below? Yes, these are your answer. So these are all the words which is given in 8 box. These all are abstract noun. Abstract noun. Okay. So let's see. I would be full of blank if I failed in English. That word is English. I would be full of blank if I failed in English. Okay. Now choose the correct answer from the 8 box. When you will fail in English, then how you will feel? See there? Yes, very good. Correct answer. The correct answer is sorrow. I would be full of sorrow if I failed in English. See the second one. I would be wanting to keep a blank if I whispered something. Okay, when you want to keep the thing secret, okay, at that time what you are doing? You are whispering. So what is your correct answer? That is secret. I would be wanting to keep a blank if secret if I whispered something. Okay, see the next example. I would listen carefully if I wanted to pay blank to something. Okay, so what is your correct answer? I would listen carefully. When you will listen carefully, then I wanted to pay blank the something. Okay, so the correct answer is attention. When I would listen carefully if I wanted to pay attention. Okay, if you wanted to pay attention in somewhere, then you have to be listen carefully that thing. Okay, the fourth one is I would raise my eyebrow in blank if I heard something strange. When you heard something strange, something amazing thing, then how you will react? You will surprise. You feel amazed. Okay, so what is your correct answer? Your correct answer is surprise. I would raise my eyebrow in surprise if I heard something strange. The fifth question is my face is relaxed and beams with joy when I want to show blank. When you will feeling relaxed, when you feel relaxed, when you have satisfaction, right? So your correct answer is satisfaction. Now the last one is my face turns red and I grin my teeth when I am in. When your face turns face turns red, it means when you feeling anger, when you become anger. Okay, angry. So my face turns red and grin my teeth when I am in anger. So your correct answer is anger, right? So all these words which you have filled here in the blanks, these all are called abstract noun. Okay, the qualities that you have written here, these all are abstract noun. Okay, now tell me one thing. Can you touch or see the qualities whatever you have filled here? Of course not. Yes, we can only feel them. We can only feel them. We can see them, but we cannot touch them. Okay, so these are called abstract noun. These are called abstract noun. Let's see what is the next. Yes, now this is your example, sorry, assignment. This is your assignment. Now you have to be do it. This is crossword puzzle for you. Okay, have you seen here? This is crossword puzzle. You have to be solved it. Now see, some clues are given there across and downwards. There are four words in across and there are four words in down. So what you will do, you will solve the crossword puzzle by filling the qualities possessed by the following people. Okay, these are people have been given here, so you have to write one quality for them. For example, see the across one. Question number is 3. A wise king. Okay, how many letters would be there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so wise king. So you have to be write one quality for them. A wise king. So there will be, the answer is wisdom. Their answer is wisdom. Okay, and see the downwards first number. A sincere friend. A sincere friend. Okay, so you have to be right one quality for this. So sincere friend. So the answer is sincerity. Answer is sincerity. Like this you have to be solve your assignment in your notebook only. You have to draw this puzzle and write these clues also, and solve this assignment in your notebook only. I hope you all are understood. Okay. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.